All right, you guys, this is a brief overview and how to utilize the session key on TradingView. If you guys are a part of the team, you'll get access as a bonus to this tool. You already should have access to the golden key and the entry optimizer. This specific video is going to teach you how to utilize the session key. Now, if you are familiar with the golden key is the tool that we utilize for gold and the indices such as NASDAQ, S&P, and US 30. The session key is very similar to the golden key, but the session key is used for Forex pairs. So if you're already in tune to the golden key, this key is almost the exact same, utilize it the same way, but it is strictly for Forex pairs. Now, I personally like it most on Euro pairs and GBP pairs, but I'm just going to scroll through that way you can see the results of utilizing this tool. Now, notice the tool on the current sell. When it gives you the sell, it is going to stay at a sell. This doesn't repaint. So if it says sell, you can jump into the market. Here's your entry, your take profit 1, 2, and 3, and your stop loss. This is going to pop up for you automatically. Now, make sure that you're on the hour chart when you're doing this if you're a beginner. Now, I'm going to show you how you can kind of get in at a better entry on a lower time frame. Now, notice here, it gave you the sell, it hit take profit 2. Notice here, it gave you the buy, hit take profit 1. The sell hit the stop loss. This buy, it take profit 1, 2, and if you had held it, it would have hit take profit 3. Kind of stagnant here in this area, but you did get a sell. It hit your take profit 1, nearing take profit 2. The sell hit your stop loss. Now the stop losses, your settings. Let's go to the settings for the session key. You can change your parameters. If you want your stop loss to be 10 pips above the zone, because it is a certain zone. Now, if you wanted 10 pips above the zone, then your stop loss may be about 20 to 30 pips, which is just fine. Your take profit zones, you got 20 pips, 50 pips, and 75. Now, if you notice that certain pairs are going way higher than most, then you can change these to your liking. This is totally up to you. The standard settings is 10 pips for the stop loss, which means it should be about 30 pips, no more than 40 pips at the most, because the zone may be 20 pips to 30 pips, and then you're adding an additional 10 pips for your stop loss. Because notice here you have the zone, and then your stop loss is 10 pips above the zone. Notice here's the zone, stop loss 10 pips above the zone. Notice here you had your zone, stop loss 10 pips above the zone. So we won't know what the zone is until live markets, but your stop loss is going to be 10 pips above the zone. If you want to change this to 5 pips, that is totally up to you. If you want to change it to 20 pips, that is totally up to you. That's the only thing that you should change. Other than the colors, you can change the colors if you like. I guess if you want to change this, if you're more experienced on TradingView, you can change that stuff. But for the most part, everything should remain the same as soon as you pop it on the chart. Now, if you want to find a better entry, you can go down to the 15-minute. Now, notice what happened here at the 15-minute. You caught the sell a little bit earlier. Notice here you caught the buy maybe a little bit earlier. So instead of waiting for the hour candle to finish, you are going to get in the first 15 minutes of that hour candle. Notice here you caught the sell very early. So even when that sell, notice in the sell on the hour chart hit the stop loss, but if you had caught it early, you would have caught about 10 to 20 pips to the downside. Let's see. You had caught the sell from here. That was about 10 pips. You would have at least been at break even. Now, notice what we also have here is the money line. This yellow line is our money line. It's the 200 EMA. If you're above the money line, you should be buying. So even in this sale, if you're in this sale and you notice it's stagnant at this money line, you should be putting your stop loss at your entry just in case, because it is still above the money line. Notice here, you're below the money line. When you're below the money line and you get the sell, you can sell, right? This off. But that's basically it. Notice here, you got the buy above the money line, you're buying. This is a great buy. Another buy, it kind of went sideways for a minute, but it gave you the extra buy on the next day. Sell below the money line, came back, retested the money line, went to take profit 1. So you can utilize it on the 15-minute. I would strongly advise using proper risk management on the 15-minute. It's best used on the hour chart. It gives it more confirmation on the actual trend itself. But notice, I'm gonna just pull up every pair so you can see how well this tool actually works. This is Euro CAD, buy, straight to profit. This buy came down back into the zone. Notice here how big this zone was. The stop loss was huge, but it never hit your stop loss. It kept going straight to profit. The sell, take profit 1, sell, take profit 1 and 2. This buy hit your stop loss, came back down. Sell, take profit 1, sell, take profit 1, sell, take profit 1, sell, take. As you can see, we're under the yellow line. All these sales is hitting take profits. This is a very accurate tool for all Forex traders. This is Euro NZD. Notice here, Euro NZD, buy, straight to profit, buy, straight to profit, sell, straight to profit. This buy to stop loss, sell, take profit 1. These two buys, straight to profit. So you can see how useful this tool is. This is your AUD. Look at these buys, straight to profit, way off the scale, straight to profit. I think it's about 300 pips to the upside. Euro JPY, sell, take profit 1, buy, take profit 1, buy, take profit 2, sell, take profit 1. This tool is very, very accurate. Euro GBP, buy, straight. Lord have mercy, on a Friday, straight to profit. Just skim through so you can see. Look at this sell, straight to profit, GBP AUD. Look at this. We'll pull it up in a second. GBP CAD, notice this sell, straight to profit, take profit 1, GBP and ZD. I'm gonna scroll down. I like it on GBP pairs, but watch this. USD CAD, notice this buy, straight to profit. So you can use it. You can use it on all pairs. I just say it. I like it the best on GBP and Euro pairs. Look at this AUD. Oh my gosh, look at that setup. Liquidity pull to the structure, back to the order block, got the sell for 2 days, straight to profit. AUD/JPY, same thing. Liquidity pull back into the order block. Now, if you had to pull up the entry optimizer, you probably would have quoted at it earlier. Well, it gave you probably the same order or the same area. But these tools are amazing. If you have the entry optimizer, you can add it as added confirmation. If you're utilizing the session key on the hour chart, pull up and you're getting a sale, pull up the entry optimizer on the 15-minute chart. Let's pull this up real quick. Entry optimizer, let's go back to, what was it, AUD/USD? Let's go back to the entry optimizer, pull this up. You notice you gave the sale here. Notice entry optimizer gave the sale afterwards. You got the first sale, then you got the sale on the entry optimizer, then the session key gave you another sale. Confirmation. Notice here, you got the buy, entry optimizer buy, confirmation, straight to profit. I'm telling you, when you could combine these tools, some of you guys may only have a free trial with the session key. I'm telling you, you're going to love the session key. And after utilizing it, hopefully you use it to your best advantage while it's free. That way you can get into the platform, get into the team. That way you can have it for the entire month. We're getting people funded. People are getting funded accounts, not only just using the tools with the platform, regardless of what platform my team is in. These tools are ours. These tools are directly connected with our team. We have private programmers that have developed these tools for my team and my team specifically. So if you're a part of the team, I don't care what platform you are on, you're going to get access to these tools. Now, if you don't, for some odd reason, don't want to join the platform, you can always get get access to these tools on a more private level. But I highly suggest that you get connected to the team, because you're going to get way more resources. You're going to get trainings. You're going to get live sessions. You're going to get the money app. You're going to get the lot size calculator to help you with your proper risk management, help you get funded. That way you will have way more resources than just these tools that we have in our pet system toolkit. But I'm telling you, when you add these tools and combine these tools, you're going to win well over 60 to 70, sometimes even 80% of your trades. And if you're utilizing proper risk management, there is no way you can't get funded. I don't care what type of level you are on when it comes to your trading. You can be a beginner. As long as you know how to put in a trade and know how to put in your entry, take profit, and stop loss, you can read these tools. It tells you to sell, you see the entry, you see your stop loss, you see your take profit. If you just want to go for take profit 1 or at least take profit 2 to get a 1 to 2 ratio, you know what to put the numbers in, you know how to put your entry and your stop loss, let it run. So hopefully this video helps you. Hopefully the people that are getting in for the free trial, hopefully this is of use to you. It helps you throughout the week, helps you make some money, catch some pips. That way you can make the wise decision in joining our team, so you can get full access to not only the session key, because I just gave you our free access to the session key for the Forex pairs, but we have the golden key for gold. We have the golden key for the indices, your US 30, your NASDAQs, and your S&P. And we also have the PETS system entry optimizer as well. We have a few other tools we haven't released yet, but those 3 tools alone, I can guarantee you, with the session key, golden key, and the pets entry optimizer, you can become a 6-figure trader by the end of the year. Even though we're 4 months in, you can start today or tomorrow and utilize these 3 tools, our top 3 tools, and become a 6-figure trader as long as you utilize discipline and proper risk management. That's how valuable these tools are. And I put my name and I stamped upon it on the pet system. We don't call it the perfect entry trading system for nothing. So hopefully you guys have an amazing weekend. Hopefully you can utilize this tool. That way you can catch some pips on a more consistent level. That way you can see the value and end up joining the winner circle. We're the winner circle. We win no matter what. I'll see you guys in the next video.